Procreate's interface is clean and intuitive. The problem is it's so minimal, features aren't in obvious menus. Here are 5 hidden shortcuts. You probably already figured out how to zoom in, zoom out, pan, and rotate the canvas. Here's a simple trick to reset your view. Pinch your fingers together quickly. You gotta do it fast for it to work. Also, sometimes you might want to change the orientation of your drawing. If the menu doesn't realign after rotating your iPad, just lift it or tilt it a bit. That helps Procreate reorient the interface. Another quick shortcut: to hide or show the menu, tap 4 fingers on the screen. Tap 2 fingers on the screen to undo your last action. Tap 3 fingers on the screen to redo your last action. Hold 2 fingers on the screen to undo a series of actions, and hold 3 fingers on the screen to redo a series of actions. Scrub 3 fingers to clear a layer. That didn't work, let's try again. There we go. Let's get to the good stuff. Hold the pencil on the screen to make your stroke smoother. You can also shift the stroke into place. When releasing the pencil, tap on the Edit Shape button to edit the stroke by dragging the blue dots. This works for shapes too. Here's how to save brush sizes for consistency between sketches. Let's say you find the perfect brush size. Tap the slider, tap the plus symbol. This will save it. It's like a bookmark for your brush size. You can save up to 4. To delete the setting, tap the minus symbol. This also works for brush opacity. Another quick tip when using the sliders: grab the slider, move your pencil or finger away, and drag up or down. This will move the slider in smaller increments. Swipe 3 fingers down to open the copy and paste menu. I'm tapping on duplicate and then I'm dragging over my sketch, and I can make different sketch iterations. So this is kind of an easy way to just keep working an idea. Here's a fun fact: after you cut or copy something in Procreate, you can paste it onto a separate canvas. I hope these hidden shortcuts will make sketching smoother. Feel free to share your favorite Procreate tips in the comments.